Are you tired of cleaning your pool? Tired of having to get your hands dirty and scrub the walls? Do you dread the thought of cleaning out all those leaves that have been collecting at the bottom of your pool? Well, let me introduce you to Smorobot. This little robotic pool cleaner is designed to take care of all of these problems for you, so that all you have to do is enjoy yourself in your beautiful pool. It's cordless, so there's no risk of tripping over any cords or getting tangled up in them. It's also intelligent, so it can reach all corners of your pool, even ones that are hard to reach like walls or corners. It even cleans the walls. And if that wasn't enough, it has a powerful motor that allows it to clean deep into the pool and pick up even the smallest particles. The robot is equipped with a powerful suction system that sucks debris into its filter bag and then expels it once the bag is full. The Smorobot cleaning robot has a 1-hour charge time and provides 3.5 hours of operation per charge. That means less time charging and more time swimming. With this robotic pool cleaner, you'll never have to get in the water again. If you're looking for a pool cleaning robot that will get your pool sparkling clean, Smorobot is the one for you. So guys, thanks for watching and see you in my next video.